Welcome to Solid Waste India. Greetings, Ms. Lavasa, and thank you for joining us today. I'd like to begin by asking you about the brief overview of solid waste management trends in Jammu City.
We generate about 350 tons of waste every day. Unfortunately, right now we don't have an entirely scientific way of managing it. We are in the process of setting up systems which will help us manage everything scientifically. The population of the municipal corporation area is close to 7 lakh, and there are about 1.5 lakh households. I'll just talk about the steps. Primary segregation status is not very encouraging, but we are undertaking intensive IEC campaigns to go to every household and teach people about primary segregation. Then the waste is collected. Door to door collection is close to 80% in the municipal corporation area. After door to door collection, it goes to secondary dumps. There are about 20 dumps within the limits of the corporation. From there, the bigger vehicles take that garbage to the dump site. So this is the chain that is being followed. We are in the process of setting up processing plants and scientific disposal facilities.
So, have you allotted land for this kind of a facility?
We use canals here for land, so we've allotted 150 canals for this purpose, and we have an MOU that is to be signed with NAFID. They will undertake processing and scientific landfill for us, which should be ready in the next 12 to 18 months.
One of the big problems that Jammu has faced in the past is lack of manpower. So, how are you trying to bridge that gap?
There are two things. One is the numbers, and second is the efficiency in how we manage that manpower. So we need to look at both.
Mm.
We are trying to avoid hiring new people because we have floated a tender for about one third of our wards, where the scope of work will be collection, transportation, processing, and disposal. It's a bid document as of now, but that's an integrated thing that we're looking at. So until we have clarity on how that will work, we do not want to add manpower to our existing manpower because we are all aware that of the dynamics of how difficult it is to remove manpower, and then it becomes a burden on the already cash strapped resources that we have to deal with.
And how are you trying to improve the efficiencies in the system?
Training, training of manpower. When we say system, there's infrastructure, machinery, and manpower. There's some indiscipline in such a sector, so it's very important to ensure some strictness, but at the same time trying to ensure there's a dignity and there's a pride and a sense of ownership in the work they have. So training is one thing. We have introduced e-attendance. The supervisors of every ward, they click the photograph. It's a photo and GPS location based attendance. That is one thing that we have done. So at least that system is in place. We need to monitor that more effectively.
Yeah. And are you doing
So these
capacity
are some of the
building
things we do.
workshops and, with partnering with organizations to educate your workers, your sanitation workers, and the
Absolutely.
municipality?
Absolutely. I can't stress enough on how important it is to have sensitized and capable sanitation staff if we want to solve this problem. A job like sanitation and solid waste management is incomplete without citizens' participation. But when we talk of citizens, we need to understand that our staff is part of that society.
Mm.
So, unless they understand the importance of this, why we are asking people to segregate, what are we going to do with how it will be recycled, unless they understand all this, me as a commissioner or our staff here, the health officer, we just cannot transfer our vision to our staff unless we do capacity building. So we are focusing on that.
What about legacy waste management?
We had one legacy waste site which was being used for about the last 25 years. That has 1.5 lakh metric tons of waste. We have started the bioremediation in October of last year. October 2020, and by next year, this time, the remediation of that landfill site will be complete. The current landfill site is where we are going to set up the new scientific landfill. And before the setting up of that starts around March this year, the remediation will happen simultaneously as well. So this plant that I'm talking about, that has an MRF, a composting facility, a bio CNG plant, a scientific landfill. This is going to be a centralized plant. However, the other thing that I mentioned about 26 wards, that is one third of the wards of Jammu Municipal Corporation, we are proposing another plant which will have a capacity of 100 MT, and that will also have an MRF The MRF is in fact already built. We have done this in collaboration with the UNDP.
Also, I would like to ask you about the funding model. Waste management is very expensive for any municipality. And how are you managing that at your level?
Yes, I will firstly admit that we don't generate too many resources. In Jammu and Kashmir, we do not have the property tax, which is one of the primary sources of revenue for any municipal corporation. However, we do have grant and aid from the government, and as we all know, that the Swachh Bharat mission of the government of India provides funding,
Yes,
and so that's our main source of funding as far as solid waste is concerned.
I see. And what about Swachh Sarvekshan? That's around the corner. So are you making any special efforts? Because Jammu has
Yes,
really
yes,
done well on Swachh Bharat ranking so far.
yes,
How are
yes,
you planning to
yes.
tackle that?
We had not done too well last year. That was not a good indication of the work that was supposedly not being done. I think there was a gap in the documentation to ensure that all our activities are mapped on the portal.
Hmm.
We are undertaking intensive IEC campaigns, and the usual. It's not something like reinventing the wheel, but it's just something that has to be done, and it is effective. It's proven to be effective. Doing baseline surveys, going to every house, talking to them about segregation, painting competitions, nukkar nataks. We're using radio as a medium. We are using mass media, using bulk SMS. We are doing all that, and like I said, the important thing is to reflect that on the Survekshan portal. The second part, which we've spoken about, is the infrastructure, the plants, how we're processing waste. So I can, with 100% surety, say that there is not a single area of solid waste management where we are not working. So a lot of things are being done, but this is such a sector that if you start working today, it probably takes 5 to 10 years to actually see the results.
Yeah.
Nonetheless, it's very important to start, and I'm happy to say that we have started and we're on the right track.
Okay. Great to know that. And really briefly, what are some of the challenges you're
Yeah,
facing?
the
And
challenges we spoke about, the manpower, the capability, the capacity building, that is something that we need to work on. I will admit we are starting late, but at the same time, that is advantageous because we can learn from other corporations' mistakes and not repeat the same mistakes.
yeah, yeah.
So there's a lot to learn from the best practices and pick up what suits us the most. So
Mm,
we are doing that, and it so the biggest challenge is behavioral change.
mm.
That is something uh, which applies to the citizenry and applies to our own staff.
Is there anything that you think works in your favor in this whole process? Is there anything that's working out very well, perhaps beyond your imagination?
I think I'm never happy with what we've done. I always want to do more, but one thing that I would like to say is that our revenue collection, sanitation user fee collection, is not something to be proud of, but it has increased by 50% in the last year. It was 2.2 crore. This year we will touch 4 crore easily. Paying user fee is an indication that what we are doing as a corporation for the people to provide sanitation services is working.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it is not easy to make people part with money.
Yes, absolutely. And I wish you the very best. I believe you've completed a year as Jammu Municipal Commissioner. So we do hope to see a lot of positive changes coming out of your city.
Thank you. And yeah, we'll closely watch the Survekshan ranking and
Yep.
see how we do this.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot and all the best. I think it's a very good initiative to have a portal which aggregates solid waste management related discussions.
Yeah.